Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the values you want encoded in one Excel column. You need clean, unique entries so QRs scan reliably. Once done, enable the Developer tab or install a QR add-in because Excel does not generate codes natively. Next, choose whether you want image files, in sheet pictures, or label-ready cells. That decision shapes the method you follow. Make sure to save a backup before running batch operations so you can revert if formatting or formulas break. You can automate by calling a QR API or writing VBA that composes the data string and downloads an image per row. First, construct the payload, encode special characters, and build a URL if using a web service. Then loop through your table to fetch each image and paste it into a picture object or export to disk. Once images are placed, resize with consistent dimensions. This ensures visual uniformity and reliable scanning. If you prefer offline, use a VBA library to finish, lock row and column sizes, align and anchor each QR image to its cell so printing won't misplace them, and group objects when needed. Then export the sheet as PDF for distribution or batch export the PNGs to a folder if you need separate files. If something goes wrong, test a small sample across phones and scanners to identify encoding errors, wrong scaling, or bad characters. Once you find the issue, fix the source data and rerun the batch to avoid repeating mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.